What if I told you that you could create a professional flyer that looks like it was made by a graphic designer in less than 5 minutes using just AI and your phone? No Canva, no design skills, no money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it step by step. But before I show you how, let me show you what is possible. This flyer right here that we see on the screen was created with AI, right? So this flyer was created with AI, right? This flyer again in here was created with AI. This flyer in here was created with AI. And this flyer also was created with AI, right? Look at the quality. Can you see the quality? You would never guess AI made these. You would never guess AI made this. So let's dive in and let me show you exactly how you are going to use AI, ChatGPT, Manus, and Claude to be able to create flyers using your phone or your laptop. Let's dive in. So to create a flyer using AI, what you need first is you need to go to Pinterest, right? To find out the kind of idea that you want to create, the kind of flyer that you want to create. So let's take it out for example. If you want to create a flyer for a restaurant, you just come in here to Pinterest and you search for flyers, restaurant flyer design, right? If you want to create a flyer for a webinar, so let's take it out for example. Each and every Wednesday and Friday, I do run free webinars teaching people how to make money online using AI. So let's take it, I want to create flyers for a webinar. I just come in here and search for free webinar flyer design on Pinterest. So when I come on Pinterest, there are different flyers in here, different flyer designs in here. So the one that you want, you just select the design. So what you do is, so for example, let's scroll in and let's see if we can find a nice design for us to use for our webinar. So let's take it that which one are we going for? Okay, let's take it that maybe we want a flyer like this for our webinar, right? So what we'll do is that we'll take a screenshot of it, or you save it on your laptop or your phone, or you take a screenshot of it. So I'm going to save it. So let me save this on my laptop. So this is the flyer that we want to design, right? So the next thing that you need to do is you need to go to your AI. So in this example, I'm going to use Claude AI to use to generate this flyer. But what I'm going to use Claude AI to do is I'm going to make Claude AI to give me a prompt to use to generate the flyer using Manus or ChatGPT, because Claude AI is not good with flyers. So what I'll do is that you see this plus sign in here, you press on the plus sign and you upload the sample picture that we saved from Pinterest. So this is what we saved from Pinterest. So we'll upload it in here. Then you tell ChatGPT, right? You tell Claude or ChatGPT or any AI that you are using, you need to prompt it. So you say that maybe I want to create a flyer for my webinar to teach people how to make money with AI, right? This webinar is free and it will be held on Friday on Google Meet at 8 o'clock p.m. GMT. I want you to act as a professional graphic. So professional, right? So let's check the spelling. Professional, right? Professional graphic designer, and generate for me a high converting prompt of the for the flyer using the sample I have attached. The name of my community is called Wealthy by Design. So now we've given him all the details that we need on the flyer, and the meeting will be on Google Meet. So now what we'll do is that we just send a prompt, right? So we'll send a prompt, and what is going to happen is that it's going to generate us a prompt that we can use. We can copy and paste that prompt into ChatGPT or Manus to create the flyer for us. So now this is the prompt that it has generated for us. It's still generating it. So it says that professional webinar promotional flyer, right? Dark navy and all that. So it has given us the prompt in here. So all what we need to do is that we need to copy this prompt. So you copy the prompt, and what you do is that you go to either Manus or ChatGPT, any AI that you want to use. So for in this example, I'm going to use Manus to create this flyer. So for example, I come to new, then all what I will do is that I'll paste my prompt in here like this, then I just command it. So now Manus is going to generate the flyer for us, and this flyer is going to look like a professional flyer designed by a professional graphic designer. And when a graphic designer generates a flyer for you and you put this one on the left and the graphic designer's flyer is on the right, you would even choose the one created with AI that it was designed by the graphic designer, right? So if you are using ChatGPT, you can also do same. So you can go to ChatGPT and you can also give ChatGPT the prompt to create the flyer for you, right? So you just come into ChatGPT, and the ChatGPT I'm using is the free one. You can see it's not the pro one. So you just post or paste the prompts in there for it to create it, right? So now it's creating it. So both Manus and ChatGPT is creating it. Let's take it out for example. You need another variant, so you can prompt it again that I need another high converting variant of the flyer. So it's going to give another prompt for us to use to create another sample, so that what it gives us, if we don't like it, we can just generate a new one, right? So now it's still generating. It's going to take some minutes to generate the flyer, right? I hope you get it. If you have any questions, you can type the question in the comment section, right? And in the comment section, in the description, there's a link to my WhatsApp channel that you can join to get more information and learn more things on how you can use AI to make money, right? So now our flyer is done, right? So this is the flyer that ChatGPT Manus has done for us, right? So you can see this is the flyer design, and this is the flyer in here. Can you see that it has done similar thing for us with the face in here? Can you see that it has done similar thing for us? Let's take it that we still don't like this one, right? I think Manus Claude gave us another prompt for us to use to generate another high converting variant. So we just copy this prompt again in here. Then what we'll do is that we would paste it again in Manus to give us the variant, right? So if we like, again, what we can do is so these are the variants that what do you call it, ChatGPT did for us. So you can see in here. So let's download it and have a look at it. Can you see it's very neat, it's very sharp, like the sample that we uploaded in here, right? But you see it didn't take the background of the sample. So if we wanted to take the background of the sample, what we need to do is that we can also attach the flyer design that we saved in here with the prompt, so that we'll get the same thing, right? So this is the flyer that it did for us. So we can save it. So if you want to save, we can just download image. Then you download the image. So this is the second one that it did. So we can just download the image. So this is how you can use AI to create simple flyers for your design. So let's wait for the other variant and let's see how that one is going to look. So this is the one that Manus did. So you can see that it's very, very sharp. Very, very, very sharp, right? So let's wait for the one that Manu's there. So if you want to join my community is free to join, but I also have a masterclass where I guide people and teach them step by step on one-on-one session on how they can make money using AI. So you see, this is the other variants that it did for us. So let's download it and have a look at the variants, and you can see it is very, very sharp, right? So this is basically how to use. So you see it's very, very sharp, neat, excellent. So this is how to use AI to create flyers. If you want your picture to be in here when you are creating the flyer, you upload your picture and it will do it for you. So it was nice having you all in here. I can't wait to teach you more ways on how you can use AI to make money. Bye for now. Bye. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.